While occasional coughs and swallowing complications can arise for your cat, especially during mealtime, frequent gulping, gagging, coughing, and general chewing and swallowing difficulties can signal a problem, potentially a health concern. In this video, we'll briefly touch on three of the most common reasons as to why your cat could be gulping, both the audio and the visual, when swallowing. Before we dive right into today's material, a quick shout out to you, the viewer. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your time and we certainly value your support. Thank you so much. Now, let's begin. As for the three aforementioned causes, they are as follows: dysphagia, hairballs, and feline asthma. Let's begin with dysphagia. Dysphagia is a medical term which refers to difficulty swallowing. Dysphagia can occur as oral dysphagia, pharyngeal dysphagia, and cricopharyngeal dysphagia. This term refers to a wide number of potential root causes. They range from tongue problems, dental concerns, jaw restraints, etc. Some ailments are treatable while others are not. Although mild in nature, for the most part, the side effects can include severe anxiety and weight loss for your cat. Finding it difficult to chew and swallow, mealtime can become a major undertaking. Next is hairballs. If you've had your cat for any amount of time, you're likely familiar with hairballs. However, what could escape you is the fact that frequent hairballs can directly impact your cat's ability to swallow properly. This can lead to gulping, gagging, retching, hacking, and all of those other unpleasant sounds. Additionally, if inappropriately managed, hairballs can lead to intestinal blockages, which can result in severe health conditions. This is why hairballs, although many times overlooked as a minor issue, can become rather serious. Let's explore some positive actions that you can take to remedy the issue. First, brush your cat regularly. Second, manage overgrooming. Make sure your cat's grooming isn't due to stress. If you notice some environmental factors, act accordingly. Litter box a mess, cat bed askew, too many house guests. While you certainly can't prevent your cat from grooming, make sure extreme overgrooming is not due to stressors in your cat's living space. Cats often groom as a means to self-soothe if things are a bit chaotic, sort of like us humans biting our nails. The next positive measure is the purchase of a specialized hairball formula, hairball reduction cat food, to be more specific. And finally, get your cat to drink more water. This helps to maintain good digestive health and a clean system. Our final point of emphasis today is feline asthma. While the proper definition for this ailment is somewhat debatable, most experts agree that feline asthma is the direct result of a reaction caused by allergens that have been inhaled. Roughly 1 to 5% of all cats are said to have feline asthma. Feline asthma can cause hacking, gulping, wheezing, coughing, and difficulty breathing. Common triggers can include dust, pollen, smoke, mold, fumes, aerosols, and fragrances. In some cases, stress, weather changes, and extreme heat and cold, especially in a quick turnaround, can trigger a reaction. Allergies can cause a feline's airway to reduce. This constricts proper airflow, resulting in spasms along the airway, thus promoting negative breathing. Breeds such as Burmese and Siamese, for example, are more susceptible to asthma. This ailment typically strikes when cats are between the ages of 2 and 8. While that will conclude things for today's video, there is still so much more information for you regarding this specific subject matter. If you'd like to know more, we invite you to visit us at seniorcatwellness.com. There you will find a full-length and incredibly detailed article concerning this topic. In addition to everything we've covered today, you'll also receive in-depth material regarding symptoms, causes, how these three core issues are diagnosed, treatment for each concern, and so much more. If your cat is currently having difficulty swallowing and the issue has been persistent, we invite you to read our detailed piece. Please act accordingly if you feel the situation warrants professional care from your vet. And until our paths cross again, and I certainly hope they do, we'd like to thank you once again for joining us today. Please have a wonderful day. All the best to you and yours, and we will talk to you later.